Welcome friends. We are going to study here about the types of mechanical strain. So before studying types of strain, let us see what exactly the strain is. When an external force acts on an object, it produces its molecular realignment. This leads to the deformation in shape of the object, and object is said to be under strain state or strain condition. Therefore, the strain is a measure of deformation of an object. Here, the strain is the measure of deformation of the object. We can define strain in another words as a ratio of change in the dimension to its original dimension of particular object which is under external force. So as it is the ratio of change in dimension divided by original dimension, so definitely the strain will be a dimensionless quantity. Generally it is denoted by symbol epsilon. There are three different types of strains depending upon change which is produced in object and the stress is applied. So we will study about all the three types of strain over here. The first one is longitudinal strain. Definitely, as we know that when object is under longitudinal stress, then whatever the change is happening, that will become a longitudinal strain. So we can define longitudinal strain as the ratio of change in length of a body to the original length of the body. There are two different types of longitudinal stresses. One is tensile and other one is compressive. When object is under tensile stress, then its length will increase. When the object is under compressive stress, then its length will decrease. So therefore, we can say that the longitudinal stress is the change in length divided by original length. It will become delta L divided by L. If the length is increases, like here the length is increases, that means object is under tensile stress. So in that case, if the length is increases due to tensile stress, the corresponding strain is called tensile strain. And if the length is decreases due to compressive stress, then strain is called compressive strain. Like over here the length is decreasing. Okay, so longitudinal strain can again be classified into two types. The first one is tensile strain and other one is compressive strain. The second type of strain is a shearing strain. It is an angle through which a face is originally perpendicular to the fixed face is turned. In other words, shearing strain can be defined as the ratio of the displacement of a layer to its distance from the fixed layer. Let us understand that particular sentence. Here, this object is there which is under shearing strain. Why? Because we have applied a force to its top surface, and the object, this side of the object is perpendicular to the fixed face. It is perpendicular to this bottom face is fixed, and the upper topmost layer will displace by x under the shearing stress. So what will happen? The angle through which the face, this side face, which is originally perpendicular to fixed face, bottom face, is turned on. It is turned by theta angle. So that angle will become a shearing strain. It can also be defined as the ratio of displacement. Here the displacement of top layer is x. So the ratio of displacement of a layer to its distance from the fixed layer. The distance of top and bottom layer is L. So we can say that the shearing stress, equation of shearing stress is equal to x divided by L. here this x divided by L. So definitely due to trigonometry we can write x divided by L, that is equal to tan theta. Now generally the angle of such displacement theta will be very much small, therefore we can say that tan theta is nearly equal to theta, and we can also write the equation as shearing strain is equal to theta. That's why I have told earlier that it is the angle through which a face originally perpendicular to fixed face is turned. So there are two different definitions for shearing strain and both are true. The third and the last type of strain is volume strain. And it can be defined as the ratio of change in volume of a body to its original volume. Suppose this is the object. Its original volume is V, and due to the bulk stress, the volume of this particular object reduced to V minus delta V. Therefore, the volume of the body under action of a normal stress, the change in the volume will become delta V. So, we can write the equation of volume strain as change in volume divided by original volume, that will become delta V divided by V. So, all these are the three types of strain. The first one was longitudinal strain, second one was shearing strain, and third one was volume strain. And again the longitudinal strain can be subdivided into two types: tensile strain and compressive strain. So this was all about the types of strain. Thank you.